These pipes right here are gonna be the stabilizing and jacking system of the trailer. See if I could explain this. On 4 corners, it's gonna have that pipe right there. This one is where the jack goes attached. That's why I drilled those holes. This goes here. Jack is gonna go there. You get to crank it up and stabilize it, and it'll serve as the jack for changing spare tires on the road. No extra jack necessary. Yeah, buddy. It's a little close there, but it'll work. Done with the jack. Unscrew it. This comes out, take it apart, put it in the toolbox, away you go. Plenty tall for a tire change. Oh yeah. But it's gonna have one on this corner, one on that corner, this tire, the other one, and the other one. And this also serves for load stabilization. Fenders are now temporarily attached with clecos instead of 2x4s, but we're getting there. I'm gonna call it a night, even though it's not really night. It's like 7, but I'm fucking starving and tired. Tomorrow will be a complete fucking day on this thing, and I mean complete, I tell you what. You're next, buddy. More room for activities. In case you don't understand what the fuck is going on here, this is the original safety chain system for the trailer. This arm right here swings back and forth. This way being the storage position, and this way being the in-use position, and you hook this to your truck. It's really fucking overkill, but I love overkill. I trust that more than these little chains that somebody tack welded on here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna weld this bracket fucking solid on here, cut these off to make room for a plate, and it'll be fucking crispy mint. A quick snack.
This some serious gourmet shit.
Break from all this work. Mr. Bean on the scene. Remember the skinnier chains I cut off of there? I left the heavy duty ones, but these skinny ones will serve a different purpose back here. These were rods I removed off the fenders. They're supposed to support them, but the way I put the fenders together, they don't need them. However, these will come in handy for something else. Still got nothing? I'll show you. Behold!
Oh God! Oh Jesus Christ!
The fucking tailgate. Modeled after the one on Betty. Old school. Simple. Chain and hook. Can't fuck it up. One of the goals for today was to at least have the frame painted, but that's not gonna happen. It's 4 in the morning now. However, got these bad boys in there. They're not fully welded though, because of course, somewhere around 2 in the morning, I ran out of rods. I can't get rods anywhere at 2 in the morning. But they're tacked in there. Tomorrow I'll fully weld them, take the floors off, paint the frame, hopefully, maybe, who knows anymore.
Looking thick, solid, tight.
Attaching the fender to the frame, and there are bolts on this side that I have to tighten, but the heads are on this side. Now how in the fuck am I gonna do this by myself? Very simple. First thing you gotta do, you put your bolt in with a piece of tape so that when you go in the back over here and start the nut, it doesn't get pushed out by accident. Now, second thing you do is clamp a pair of fucking vice grips on there, and then go on the other side and give her the beans. %40 of my fucking project is figuring out how to tighten hardware by myself. Not a problem.
Oh, fuck. 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 Oh, fuck.
Floor has been positioned in here but not bolted in. That's coming up sometime soon, and it's not gonna stay green. It has a plan, but not right now. First I need to bolt it in. I'm fucking tired. These fenders came off a truck that had dual fuel tanks. It had saddles on either side, so it had a filler over here and the regular style filler cap here. It's just the perfect size for one of these bad boys. Light brackets have been welded in place. Now we gotta do a little bit of wiring here. You know how sometimes you go to use your trailer and after a while one of the fucking wires has pinched or chafed somewhere and it starts shorting and your lights don't work and you don't know why? That shit's not gonna fly here. See this conduit right here? This is breeze tubing. Fully flexible, not stainless, I think it's brass. Some other alloy. Anyway, it's harder than shit, but it's as flexible as a hose. This is gonna protect the wire from everything. All of it. Called in some heavy duty reinforcements because at the pace I'm going, I won't be able to finish this weekend. This motherfucker knows what he's talking about. Hit it! Next! Now the harness is nice and flexible and protected. And it looks kind of cool. Bet you'll never see another one like this again. I think I have enough time to clean up this here toolbox and maybe, just maybe, have enough time to take it tomorrow to the bed lining place after work and have them shoot it as well. Fuck it. Like, why in the fuck am I gonna put a winch on this fucking thing? I don't own an ATV that I'm gonna put on here, or I don't know. Why the look, fucking Toolbox spent money on it rhino lining. I could have just left it plain and painted it. But now it's rhino lined. Now there's no going back. Why? I don't know. Could have gone without having to install all this shit and it would have been perfectly fine, but no. I gotta complicate things and try to make them fucking better. Speaking of improving things, here's a little trailer wheel that I got. Well, it's actually for the jack. And it's a little flimsy. I'm kind of regretting it, honestly. That trailer weighs like a motherfucker. So, I went dumpster diving and I found this fucking behemoth with a built-in brake. I think this will work better. Just gotta weld an adapter on there like that one. Oh yeah, look at that.